Sofa Bed Installation Tutorial. After unboxing, check if all accessories are completed first. Includes 2 pillows, 2 armrests, backrests, accessory kit, mattress, iframe, storage box. Step 1. Install the pillow core properly. The pillow is installed. Screwdriver, short screw, long screw, medium length screw, small wrench, wheel, nut, SHIM, armrest cross nail. Step 2. Place the handrails on both sides against the wall. Step 3. Assemble with short screws and washers and install the iframe. The little ear should face the backrest direction, and the screw on the knob can be used. The other side also operates in the same way. The little ear should face the backrest direction, and the screw on the knob can be used. Step 4. Install the backrest with long screws and washers. Align the hole position and screw the knob onto it. The other side also operates in the same way. Armrest and backrest installation completed. Step 5. Use short screws, washers, and 10 nails to install the 10 nails on the armrest. Assemble the short screws and washers properly. Use a screwdriver and a small wrench to tighten the screws. The other side also operates in the same way. Step 6. Install storage box casters with medium length screws, small nuts, and wheels. Just twist it until it can't be moved. Turn our bed over. Connect to the backrest armrest. Step 7. Install the backrest and bed frames with medium length screws and connect them to the iframe. The other side also operates in the same way. Step 8. Lay the mattress on top. Tie the middle position like this. Don't tie it too tightly. Align the rest of the area with the top and tie it up. Installation is complete. Gently lift and push forward to turn into a sofa state. Just put on our pillows